Hello guys, this is Jonathan, Jonn English. I know that you have been following this channel because you want to learn English and you want to improve English, but I want you to know that I work as an online marketing consultant, and I also want to share some valuable information for some of you guys who want to learn about it and you want to improve your English through this kind of learning, which is very important. So I hope you like it and hope you enjoy it.
Remarketing involves targeting people who have already interacted with your company. They may have visited your website, added a product to their shopping cart, or signed up for a mailing list. What they haven't done is make a purchase from you, and they may need a nudge to help them along. There are many methods that you can use to connect with those people, but one of the most effective is the Facebook Pixel. If you use it properly, it can help you build brand awareness, attract new leads, and increase your sales all at the same time. The Facebook Pixel is a snippet of code created by Facebook to help you track the behavior of visitors to your website. Once Facebook provides you with the pixel, you can specify what you want it to track. Then all you need to do is add it to the header of your website, and the pixel will take care of the rest. You can use the pixel to track a variety of behaviors. Facebook provides a list of 9 potential things to track, including things like viewing content, adding an item to the cart, initiating a checkout, or using your site's search function to find something. There's also an option to create a custom event to track. Getting your Facebook Pixel is easy. Go to your Facebook Ads Manager page and click the little hamburger icon next to the page name. You'll see a pixel option there. Click it and you'll be redirected to the page where you can create your pixel. Click the button to create a pixel. Then choose a name for your pixel. Keep in mind that you can only create one pixel for your Facebook page, so it's a good idea to make the name a reflection of your company and not one of a specific campaign or product. Accept the terms and click OK to create the pixel. The next step is to add your newly created pixel to your website. You'll have 2 options. The first is to use an integration or tag manager, and you should choose that option if you use tag management software that integrates with Facebook. Otherwise, you can simply choose to copy and paste the code. Once you've copied the code, go to your website, open the editor, and add the pixel to the head tag on each page of your site. Adding to the heading simply means inserting the code between the head tag and the end head tag. Unless you're using a template, you'll need to add it on each page of your site. Now it's time to choose the right event code to tell Facebook what to track. You can use one of the 9 preset events provided by Facebook. Or you may choose to create a custom event to track an action not provided by Facebook. This Facebook article can tell you which code options are best for your site. After you get your event code, it's time to insert it in the proper place on your site. The usual spot is in the header of the page where the event is being tracked will take place. For example, if you're tracking items added to a shopping cart, you'd put the event code on your shopping cart page. You can use this Facebook Pixel extension for Google Chrome to check that your new pixel is working properly. Once you've confirmed that it is, you can use the pixel to create targeted ads for your new event-specific audience. Remember, if you want to track a new event, you can use the same pixel. All you'll need to do is go back to Facebook and create a new event code. Add it to the header of your page you're tracking, and create your Facebook ad using the new event. The Facebook Pixel allows marketers to use the powerful Facebook platform to reconnect with visitors to their website and re-engage them in the hope that they'll make a purchase or fill out a lead form. Creating the Pixel is easy and free, and it can help you build brand recognition and loyalty. If you enjoyed this educational video, make sure to subscribe now to receive more internet marketing tips and tricks as we release them.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to this channel. Go to the link that is in the description and you'll find more information about how to do online marketing. You can apply it for any business. But if you want to make this as a business itself, if you want to promote this opportunity, I enrolled recently. I can help you out with that. Just leave me your comments. I'll leave my contact information below as well. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Share if you think that this might be helpful for somebody else. Have a great day.